Hey lovelies. Okay, I got another CurlKit box. I wasn't gonna do this box, but when I took out the package, I see they actually taped it up. Okay, so they like really taped it up, which is a big plus. So let's open this together. This is my last box with them for a minute. Okay, so this is Curl Life Spring Fling Fresh Flirty Finance. This is from April. This is the April box, you guys. You can catch them on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. This is little insider notes, little motivational stuff, you know. This it kind of tells you what's inside, what you're about to get. Oh, I guess that's not a page. Never mind. Okay, so it must be Eden's body work. All right. Everything fits in the box. So this is the Afro Sheen Glow Up Shine Spray. Finishes in Edge Shine in 6 ounce. Afro Sheen, I haven't heard from them in a minute. I forgot her name, but she's on here, YouTube. She got a box and it had like the whole line for it or something. But yeah, this is the shine spray, and I like you get to see the inside. And I guess it's not 6 ounces is not a lot for this big thing, because this is actually where it starts, if you can see. So that's what 6 ounces look like this. Okay, I get this so many times. This is Shine Mist. I never used it before. It's used when I was younger, but they changed the recipe up, so it's like, I don't know. I have so many of those, it's crazy. And this is a serum for hair management. Oh, sorry, this is 4 ounces, and this is 9 milliliters. Okay, so the sample is filled with 1/4 of the ingredients dilution of synthetic oils. So the sample lasts 2 to 4 weeks. Oh, so use it on damp hair after you wash it. Okay, so it does something to the hair. Maybe it tells me inside. It helps with tangles. Residue-free blend. It detangles, repairs, enriches, and protects your hair. Alright. Okay, next we got this. I had this before. Control Edge Lot of Body. Is black. Like, it's really black. So if you have like really black hair and you want to put some gel on it, and the other gel kind of, you know, flakes or whatever, this would be it. It works. It's just my hair is not black. Okay, so this is the Curl Defining Cream by Eden Body Work. I used this a long time ago. It defines your curls. It's been a long time. I actually forgot what it smells like. I can open this real quick so you guys can see. Yeah, it smells like coconut. I used it, but I used it with other stuff, so the coconut kind of blended in since it's not as strong. And this is 8 ounces. And this is everything that's in the box. Honestly, I really don't know what to say. Like, nothing really goes together. Well, yeah, no. All this stuff is for like after you wash your hair, basically. This is like this is all styling. But I basically had all this stuff except for these two. Never had before, so yeah, this is all you get. It's $20 plus $5 shipping. So yeah, was this box worth it for this month? If you never tried none of this stuff before, I would say yes. But since I've tried basically everything inside of here, I'm like half and half. I don't know, because I really wanted more of this. I never had this before, or this. I don't really care for this, but I could give it away. And this, I have so many of these, it's ridiculous. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, check them out. Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Alright, CurlKit.com. Bye.